Are you tired of crumbs scattered across your workspace or dust hiding between your keyboard keys? Imagine having a clever little vacuum cleaner you built yourself, using nothing more than a plastic bottle and a handful of common parts. With just a few easy steps, you can transform everyday items into a mini vacuum that's perfect for quick cleanups and satisfying DIY fun. Start by choosing a plastic bottle. Something around 500 milliliters is ideal. It's compact enough to handle easily, but large enough to create good suction. Use a marker to draw a line about 1/3 of the way down from the bottle's top. With a sharp cutter or sturdy scissors, carefully cut along this line, separating the bottle into two pieces. Hold on to both sections. Each will play a crucial role in your mini vacuum's construction. Now, let's craft the heart of the vacuum, the fan. Grab a flat, thin piece of plastic. This could be cut from another bottle or even salvaged from a plastic food container. Trace and cut out a small circle, about the size of a coin. Around the edge, make 4 or 5 evenly spaced slits, working your way towards the center without cutting all the way through. These slits will become your fan blades. Gently twist each blade so they're angled. This allows the fan to push air effectively when it spins. Next, take a small DC motor, the kind you might find in old toys or hobby kits. Using a needle or sharp object, poke a hole through the center of your plastic fan disc. Fit the fan onto the motor's shaft, then secure it with a drop of hot glue. Be sure the fan spins freely and doesn't wobble. This ensures smooth, efficient airflow. Grab the bottle cap and carefully make a hole just big enough for the motor to fit through. Push the motor through the cap until the fan sits inside what will become the vacuum's body. Use hot glue around the edges to seal any gaps, ensuring air can only flow through the intended path. For power, repurpose an old USB cable. Cut off one end, strip away the outer insulation, and expose the red and black wires inside. These are your power wires. Red for positive, black for negative. Attach the red wire to the positive terminal on your motor and the black to the negative. You can solder the connections for durability, or simply twist the wires together and secure them with electrical tape for a quick fix. Before final assembly, insert a piece of fine mesh or cloth into the bottom half of the bottle. This acts as a filter, trapping dust and crumbs so they don't reach the motor or escape back into the air. Slide the two halves of the bottle back together, sealing them with tape or glue. Make sure the fit is snug so all suction flows through your homemade filter. Now, it's time for the magic moment. Plug your USB cable into a power bank, laptop, or wall charger. The motor will spring to life, the fan spinning rapidly to create suction. Point the open end of your mini vacuum towards crumbs, dust, or craft debris, and watch as it quickly draws in the mess. It's surprisingly effective for such a simple build. Not only does this project recycle materials you might otherwise throw away, but it saves you money and gives you a useful gadget you can proudly say you made yourself. Whenever your workspace needs tidying, just reach for your DIY mini vacuum and enjoy a quick, satisfying clean. No batteries or expensive gadgets required. And remember, the real joy of DIY is discovering what you can create with what you already have on hand. If you found this project inspiring, why not try building more handy tools from everyday items? The possibilities are endless, and you never know what you'll invent next.